If you want to delete all your Facebook photos at once, here's the fastest method. First, open the Facebook app and tap on the three-line icon. Now go to Settings and Privacy and Settings. Scroll down and find Activity Log under your activity, then open it. Here, tap on your Facebook activity and select Manage Posts. Now, to filter only photos, tap on Filters. Then go to Categories. Select your posts, photos, and videos to see all your uploads. Next, tap on All to select everything at once. Keep in mind, this will select both photos and videos if they're included. Now tap on Trash and then confirm by selecting Move to Trash. After a few seconds, all your selected Facebook posts, including photos, will be removed from your profile. And yeah, that's how you delete all Facebook photos in one click using the Activity Log method.